Mastering interrogative pronouns. Who, what, which, whose, whom. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson in our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to dive into a very important topic: interrogative pronouns. These are the words that we use to ask questions, and they're essential for having engaging conversations in English. So, let's get started. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The primary interrogative pronouns in English are who, what, which, whose, and whom. It's crucial to understand how each of these words function in a sentence. Who is used for asking about people, e.g., who is your favorite author? What is used for asking about things or information, e.g., what is your name? Or, what is the time? Which is used for asking to choose from a limited number of items or persons, e.g., which color do you prefer, red or blue? Whose is used for asking about possession, e.g., whose book is this? Whom is used for asking about people, typically in a formal context or in written English, e.g., to whom was the letter addressed? While using interrogative pronouns, English learners often get confused between who, whom, and whose. Remember, who is the subject pronoun, whom is the object pronoun, and whose shows possession. Use who when the pronoun is doing the action, whom when the pronoun is receiving the action, and whose when showing ownership. Another common mistake is interchanging what and which. Use what when the choices are infinite or unknown, and which when the choices are limited and known. The best way to get comfortable with interrogative pronouns is through practice. Let's try some exercises. 1. Blank. Who, what, wrote the Harry Potter series? 2. Blank. Which, what, of these apples would you like? 3. 2. Blank. Whom, whose, should I address this letter? 4. Blank. Whose, which, car is parked in front of the house? Take your time to answer these questions and remember the rules we discussed. And that's a wrap on our lesson on interrogative pronouns. Remember, mastering these pronouns will make your conversations more interactive and your questions clearer. It may take a little practice, but soon these words will become second nature. Happy learning, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll continue exploring the fascinating world of English grammar.